Coming soon on DVD and VHS. Haiti, the last 50 years. Those who ignore the past are doomed to repeat it. The big question is, where did we go wrong? To understand the answer to that question and many more, we have to have an idea of what happened in the past to understand the current situation. Haiti, the last 50 years, will do just that. From Estimé to Duvalier to Aristide, we will see how a nation has been transformed into a non-state. By understanding this phenomenon, only then will we be able to start the process of nation building. This series is for historians, students, and for all Haitians to have in their Haiti collection. It will be available soon at all Bobby Express locations and PVS, and also on the internet at www.haitipictures.net.
1er janvier 1804, 1er janvier 2004, 200 ans d'histoire. Haïti, première république nègre de l'Amérique. Bobby Express, première compagnie haïtienne de transfert de l'Amérique. Haïti aux Haïtiens, Bobby Express pour tous les Haïtiens.
Depuis petit ma boulette, moi remets lettre et m'kon lettre. Au content de parler de dernier lettre dans mon mel bœuf là, ça c'est un l'autre bagaille. Eh ben, Promex, yon nouveau lettre qui sorti dans Nouvelle-Zélande, pays lettre. C'est crème lettre là, tant qu'on sorti dans mon bel bœuf là même. Promex, c'est lettre tout petit monde, tout sportif, tout grand monde, tout connaît ces lettres tant qu'on. Mandez pour Promex, roi bonne nouvelle.
Citoyens haïtiens dans la diaspora, Haïti c'est pays ou pays nous toutes. Plus nous n'avons intérêt, c'est plus l'avancée. Plus nous fait transfert l'argent, transfert manger en Haïti, avec système satellite Cool Bobby Express là, c'est plus machine solution économie pays à grande vitesse. Là on fait un grand transfert dans Bobby Express, c'est même bagaille l'on fait oui. Mes amis, prenez tête nous, ou était trip mettez paille, pas de bâtir un pays, l'île pour nous dire tête garder côté une sortie. Si vous voulez, actuellement, un grand transfert chaque mois, nous avons les épaules avec Bobby Express ensemble pour nous aider à Haïti avancer. Pour plus d'informations, relais service à la clientèle dans 1-800-205-96-80.
This video about Haiti has been made possible by a grant from Bobby Express. The Malfini is a small eagle that is indigenous to Haiti. It eats small chicks, mice, and even fish. Let us admire this gracious bird as it prepares to dive to catch a fish.
Marbia is actually a small village not too far from Jacmel. It is located in this beautiful river valley.
The plain of Aken is also a beautiful sight with all those trees in the middle of tall grass.
This natural beach, to me, is paradise on earth. This is one piece of land I would like to own.
Bassin Zim is definitely one of the top natural wonders of Haiti. It is a combination of lake, waterfall, and cave.
The town of Hesh is where the famous Haitian rebel and guerrilla fighter Charlemagne Pirat fought the American Marines in the 1920s. This is a typical scene of early morning life in Haiti. The first cup of strong black coffee, then your breakfast consisting of akassa, which is made of corn.
We are talking of 200,000 acres of land, mostly grassland. The vocation of this area is cattle. These pictures were taken during the dry season.
All over Haiti, there's a willingness to send kids to school.
Throughout my dad's travels in Haiti, it is only in the Plateau Central that he has seen people riding bulls. He would advise you when you go to Haiti not to try this. It might be hazardous to your health.
I have never been to Africa, but somehow I sometimes feel that Haiti is very much like it.